In this video, we want to solve a differential equation y double prime minus 4y prime plus 4y equals 6x e to the 2x. Let's first solve the homogeneous equation, setting the right hand side equal to 0. We can write the characteristic equation as r squared minus 4r plus 4 equals 0. We can factor that into r minus 2's quantity squared equals 0. And obviously 2 is the only one that works. So r is 2, but it has a multiplicity of 2. So the way we will write it is c1 e to the 2x plus c2 x e to the 2x. So we need this extra x here because it's a repeat root. Okay. So you can write it this way or you can just write it this way. So this will be the homogeneous solution, y sub h. But now we want to find the particular solution, which we know it's in the form of 6x e to the 2x. If it was just e to the 2x, we would write it in the form of ax plus b times e to the 2x. However, since e to the 2x and x e to the 2x already appear in the homogeneous solution, we must multiply by x squared. So we have x squared times the quantity ax plus b times e to the 2x, which if I distribute the x squared, I have ax cubed plus bx squared times e to the 2x. And now we take, we let u of x equal ax cubed plus bx squared. So this right here will be our u of x. So y sub p, our particular solution, will be of the form u e to the 2x. So now we can write this, we can use the operator identity. So that's d minus 2 quantity squared times e to the 2x times u equals e to the 2x u double prime. And so we know that this left side here is just 6x e to the 2x, just another way of writing it. So if I divide both sides by e to the 2x, I get u double prime is 6x. We said that u is ax cubed plus bx squared, so then u prime is 3ax squared plus 2bx, and u double prime is 6ax plus 2b. So now we need to compare these two guys, and clearly you'll see that a is 1 and b is 0. So then u has to be x cubed. So y sub p now, we said it was u times e to the 2x, u is x cubed, so y sub p is x cubed times e to the 2x. And now we can combine the solution. We have the homogeneous solution was the quantity c1 plus c2x times e to the 2x, and the particular solution was x cubed times e to the 2x. And we can factor out e to the 2x from both of these guys and have c1 plus c2x plus x cubed inside. So if you want, you can verify the solution, but that is the final answer.